Here I am benchmarking with my monitor plugged into the onboard HDMI port. And let's see what the stats are. Certainly nothing great. And let's flop over and I guess let me quit this for a second. Okay, I'm gonna go back over and enable my GeForce GTX 1650. And I'm just gonna show you over here, I've not changed the HDMI cable at all, and it's not plugged into the graphics card here, it's plugged into the motherboard. So, let's quit this program and maybe restart it and see what kind of benchmarks we get with that. What we're trying to test is seeing if the benchmarks change simply by enabling this device and not changing the actual port that we come out of. Okay, let's go ahead and click run, and I'm just gonna do things exactly as I did before. It loads up, and let's press benchmark. Already I can see it. So I'm running the benchmark here. I mean, it's visibly smoother. And I go over here, 72 frames per second, a significant increase. I don't think we need to do much more than this. I'm gonna press escape, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit the application. And just for the sake of being thorough, let's go ahead and disable this device. And I've not changed anything over here. We're still plugged into the motherboard. And I'm going to run this thing again. And let's see what's going on with the benchmark once it loads up. And I think it's going to be slower again. So again, the whole point of this is we're not changing where the HDMI cable is plugged in. And look at that, we can see it's choppy already. I'm gonna press benchmark. And yeah, we're not seeing anything near that 70 we saw before. We are very low, down at like 11. It's just not running well. So the question is, why does enabling my graphics card change the performance of this benchmark? Even when I do not change the HDMI port. All right, thanks for watching and thanks for your help.